Parehas ko rin eh. Ah, parang. Ano sabi?
Naglaro dito ulit kanina.
Melay!
Ano ba? Parehas kayo ni Cheryl?
Ay!
Dalawa.
Wala kasi.
Ang nanay napapasigaw.
Line judge pa yung isa.
Okay, line judge daw. Saan ng line judge kailangan?
Hindi.
Alam niyo na kung saan kayo pwesto mga line judges?
Yung umpire nanay, linesman tatay.
Okay, court number 1. Alex and Annalisa versus Arnel and Kay. Court number 1.
Ay, man. Tapos coach.
Nice shot. Nice. Nice shot. Nice.
Hoy, man!
Come out, coach.
Okay.
Coach!
Time out.
Nice shot.
Ay! Mali turo ni Joey. Kita Joey mo.
Joey yun.
Nice shot. Wala naman
Ganon din yung kay Tita Joey mo eh.
Nice.
Yun ba?
Nice. Nice.
Ay.
Yung
13 na na?
Yan na po.
hanggang ngayon hingal pa ako. Nice.
Nice one!
Nice.
Ano daw?
Nice shot. Nice. Pass.
Habol!
Oh,
Ay.
nice.
Ay, ta. Daddy! Ay, taas! Last na yun ha. Tama na.
Nice shot. Go, Mami.
Nanay, oh.
Gusto po malakpak.
Champion.
Mix C, top 8. Number 8, Christian and Avril. Number 7, William and Vines. Number 6, Sun and Weng. Number 5, Luigi and Jen. Number 4, Butch and Karin. Number 3, Sherwin and Carmela. Number 2, Renzi and Maureen. And number 1, Ryan and Lotis. Once again, Mix C. Number 8, Christian and Avril. Number 7, William and Vines. Number 6, Sun and Weng. Number 5, Luigi and Jeng. Number 4, Butch and Karin. Number 3, Sherwin and Melai. Number 2, Renzi and Maureen. Number 1, Ryan and Lotis.